Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Memory improvement. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried ginkgo biloba leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried gotu kola leaves, 1 teaspoon of green tea or 1 tea bag, 1 tablespoon of honey, which is optional, and 2 cups of water. Instructions: in a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the ginkgo biloba, rosemary, gotu kola, and green tea. Turn the heat to low and simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the active compounds in the herbs to infuse into the water. When complete, strain into a cup to remove the solids, and add honey if desired for sweetness. And how do we use it? This tea is a once daily tea. It is best to use it in the morning or afternoon and avoid drinking this tea in the evening. Consuming it too late can interfere with sleep. Note: ginkgo biloba may interact with anticoagulants for thinning the blood. Always consult with a healthcare provider if taking medications, pregnant or breastfeeding before starting new supplements. And how does it all work? Ginkgo biloba contains flavonoids and terpenoids, which improve cerebral blood flow and have antioxidant properties that help protect neural cells, while rosemary has rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which are antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. They help protect brain cells and enhance memory through concentration. Gotu kola contains acetiocosides, which support neuronal health and enhance blood circulation, which is vital for memory and cognitive function. Then we have green tea. Green tea contains EGCG, which provides powerful antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress and improve cognitive function. By adding this as one of your daily routines is beneficial to enhancing your mental capabilities as well as memory. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content added often.